Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I prep my nails for application, and here I'm showing you guys that I was removing my rhinestones and all that, but I started with my left hand just so that I could record this video for you guys and show you how I prep my nails for my application and how I prep the nails for clients. The tools that we're going to be using are going to be a cuticle pusher, a cuticle bit, a sanding bit, and a brush to take all the dust off once we're done. When pushing the cuticles, please be very gentle. Don't be so rough, especially if your client is a biter. Sometimes the cuticle can grow a little bit on their nail plate. This is my first time back in a long time, so just bear with me. The quality is gonna get better. I had to do a voiceover because there was a lot of noise going on in the background. This is the drill. Everything that I have in this video will be posted in my Amazon storefront for you guys down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Melbeautynailz, and TikTok, Stiletto Goddess. I'm also offering Zoom classes, so if you guys are interested in that and learning anything specific, feel free to message me and we could talk, and I'd let you guys know the breakdown of stuff that you guys would need. When using the cuticle bit, just be very careful. You don't have to press down too much on your nail plate on the client. You want to have your drill at a certain speed. You take your time with it. There's, everybody will have their own technique eventually, but these are the basics, at least for what I do. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit for you guys here. We're gonna do the same thing to all 5 fingers, but if you were doing a full set, you would do it to all 10. If you guys are interested in seeing nail art and how I apply my really long nails and tricks and tips, let me know. If you guys have any questions and you would like me to answer, let me know. I would like to answer a couple of questions in the beginning of the videos before I start something different. The only reason why my bit is sticking out a little bit is because my nails are so long that I couldn't use it when I pushed it all the way in. Here I'm going in with the sandy bit. I have my drill very low. You're gonna see I'm gonna speed it up. Right now we're at a 7, but I'll put it like around a 10. You'll see me in a bit, you'll see it moving a little faster. When you're using the sanding bit, be very careful, especially when you're going around the cuticle area. All you wanna do is take the shine off the nail so that you can prevent lifting. You don't wanna burn your client. You don't wanna give them a ring of fire. That's when the nail bed has been filed overly and it gives them like a red ring on it. Here I'm speeding it up a little bit. I'm gonna try to record my videos where I could be talking in the moment as I'm recording, or days that the house is a little noisy and the background's a little noisy, I might have to do a voiceover. I just ordered a new tripod, so the video is gonna be a little closer. And make sure if your client has any lifting or anything that you're clipping that off. My pinky, I had banged it and it lifted a little bit, so instead of me gluing it down, that's why I was like, let me just do a fill, and I clipped everything off, cleaned it up. You guys are gonna see in the end how everything looks. My next video will be, here I'm dusting off the nails. My next video will be me doing my fill. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up soon. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, put your notifications on. Follow me on Instagram, Melbeautynailz with a Z. And I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.